Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get rounded edges on Instagram. Quick and easy, whether you want to use it for your Instagram story or your Instagram reels. First, you're going to need to go into your mobile device browser, whether that's Google Chrome or whichever, and you're going to simply search for Kapwing, Kapwing, and then you're going to tap on their website link, and you're going to simply tap on start editing. Give it a few seconds. Then it's going to ask for me to sign in. You don't have to sign in or anything like that, although signing in would be best as it will remove the watermark. Once it has loaded up, you will simply tap on click to upload. And here you're going to choose the photo that you would like to use. Let me choose a photo real quick. Which photo will I use? Which photo? Mostly of videos. Alright, let me find a photo real quick. Just bear with me for a second, please. Can't find a photo. Oh man, here's a photo right here. Okay, then after I found the photo, I will simply tap on edit image. And then right where you see corners, you're going to simply pull that to the right. Simply pull that to the right, and then you're going to tap on done. And you can see it right there. Then you can choose to change the background image color if you would like. Although I will stick with the white, but if you wanted to change it, you will simply tap on edit image again. And you can see edit background. Now tap on that. And from there you can choose the color that you'd want, whether black, red, any color you want. Tap on edit background again. I would prefer the blue if anything. Then after you have done that, you will simply tap on export image at the top of the screen right here. And you can see it's loading. And as I said, if you had signed in, the watermark would have been removed, but because I'm not signed in, so it will stay right there. Then I'm going to tap on download. And it's downloading. You can see image has been downloaded. If I should tap on it, you can see it right here. Then we will simply upload this to Instagram, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.